If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can change the order of the layers in a Photoshop file. When creating multiple layers in a Photoshop document when no layer is selected, the newest layers are stacked on top of the older layers by default. When a layer is stacked on top of another layer in Photoshop, the content of the layer on top supersedes the content of the layer below. To change the order of a layer in the stack of layers in the Layers panel in Photoshop, click and drag the layer to move up or down within the Layers panel, and then release it into the desired location. It is best to click and drag the layer by its layer name or by clicking and dragging the blank area to the right of the layer name to move it. Avoid clicking the layer thumbnails or the layer icons. The bottommost layers appear at the bottom of the Layers panel, increasing in order through the stack up to the topmost layer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.